tum na tum bergazi ambor nyem to heaven. Kaman how? Wula kenya venya adanka ye tum la 247. Kaman.
The almighty Titiaka, she's relaxing with her phone. I fucking love her. And I can sleep now, GMB. The hatred and jealousy was too much for Titiaka. God. GMB, laugh. Feel our pain some. You saw ours to be normal. Now it's your turn. She was supposed to get fifth. People are feeling our pain today. You will soon do what? Tomorrow I'll put Titiaka's what and what the guys here pam. Nkubam na any idea ma kan tira na Kaman how programs on bon. Abo no program yung pa ka bu no tum yero tung na ko bo hanu bon wa. Yung pa ka bu no kum yero tung na ko bo hanu bolu na pa ka fas lalan yele ka bi kala ko la kum yero ko bo hanu bon lo. Wama ne dana pa andu abi debga katma yesu ma min ye shan adam nye musugo ante biago ngbara trape ne tinye zanzam le tetafsha. Hanyela new to this channel, think I subscribe ka the bell anytime to drop your contents. Apala ba yan yundele. Chilo pune. Yusuf Abu Turzon no producer mbaya ma mino nyela ngonji pyo ngone te zamleta katinye lapses main problem shanga den da yina la GMB ngomane. Ka Nurah to lose, and second issue is northerners, how we sabotage each other. Tin la yel de gwaza yeto amarabi.
Go ahead.
Producer, atena asho no mama so. Shortly the episode now we are discussing about GMB then connection because screenshots guys here katenye kama all sudden kama Nurah was on top but ben shaaran tini competition una bana mi ben zamba criteria share on wekele kar changlama so fine. But our problem now is about our northern sisters and our northern brothers. Bandabe, Lala, Contest, Kaman. To talk of Upper East, Upper West, Savannah region, and then Northeast, Northern region. Tinyala caption shanga because how even in Bwelle. Near share example kan nirwenya. The Zomaka Africa be Ghana kat supporter English teams pam. So like even if you are a Chelsea fan and Chelsea mean you be Champions League or Kaman Arsenal be Champions League, Chelsea to withdraw the those who are cut because of England team to support Bambon because of Bene. Here is the case can one producer discuss after they Nurah lost man. After all loss, I think the caption from our own northern contestants been the Ayesha, especially Savannah region rep, ko onon oshoyer onon so piale sham for Nurah not winning, forgetting about the north. This is the issue. The Nantonia nyini yendi, Agbayiri yendi ma. The two I mean other four northern regions more. But by the remain vacant northeast, upper east and upper west and Savannah man a northern region. So that's a non-car iyima like dikuba them be kaula even tribal difference ibiane. Pini itam northerners so the bad brand because you can call yourself a northerner. Secondly, can I identify a region mean a tribe? So the northern pride matter to never support for Nurah. But because of they were evicted, they didn't want Nurah to survive. But one no shena kawamino was at answer. What is your thoughts on this issue?
I cannot really lala Savannah region be my ulma Titiaka.
Yeah.
Oda no good
Pam.
You know,
yeah.
And bumi chen one of criteria.
Yeah.
Maybe sometimes votes magbazaha encounter.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And I will o performance.
Yeah.
Kayule Nurah performance. Definitely. Although Lula Kamzaha jealous bien.
Yeah.
So you know be shagara. I male hankel pa the Zama biela but kale control ya manga sometimes ba bingo nkon lo man control you ba ai be maga man kay yule o non se ma fian yela be shabnin yela sham da mala tribalism ka o play in mana oyi be play la ma kare en chang tempu mi katanang da sham way back ai yule tramale Bisorazana apa West region Basi.
Basi.
Yes. Tamal water support upa.
Definitely.
Support.
When all our support was on Basi.
That's right. And vote shangadin da yina tamal I think di da nanka Basi da ba wini.
Yeah.
Drana no telajapa. You understand?
Yeah.
Bozoka drana lala. Tra truila out. But
tribalism and religion, regions as a northern power.
So lala biwong mbe obetai pa kama maybe possibly den tonanka next time kunguma mang labzan be ka savannah region so zane ka to paga Nurah na partial polwa. You understand?
Yeah.
And savannah region niri paga namane. Mami yongotena nang desha. Ba o me sheten
push definitely.
Because always we always see all the regions in the north like come out to home.
Yeah, definitely.
So to be born a 10-year difference.
If I nye kama example, especially northness like northern region, I am bound a lab and ma dita kind of competition. The representatives are important. When we look into the music industry, like there are some guys, Soribia, Sapashine, Didonzi, Jakwa Koji, and Wiale and other stars. I mean, I saw them cool. Like I thought with northern parts, but like these are the contents in Canada, be northern region because Tanzania enough. Like but to patronize and but to tribal attention.
Yeah. So
like to talk of whether you like it or not, there is some things geographically be in number. Abuanaje 5 northern regions mama sa Moli the Gombe tribe ma didn't dominate her. So didn't dominate her ma if you are from other clan like Kakana, like I don't even nearly they receive you with their number. So like if you are like I am creating sabotage shall be come ethnic differences, be tribal differences. Can create like whether you like it or not in the number difference and entertainment be come when she come then ye ni some can na won piro na the kupiam kama Accra ni the capital ka dreamer but Ashantis are dominating because of number. So if some people like that is the reality.
Yeah.
Number ma be share the civilization ma be share like dribble to na check up near a callous with a tribal stand or a ethnic stand because it might affect you more than band performers like their musicians, their representatives.
So Anya, it might affect maybe when you Savannah region maybe other regions because of the numbers.
Yeah.
Did the page competitions they need the land numbers.
Yeah.
So they should try. Some of them should try capable creating la division because the Nante the born anytime at all. If Nodna you to push him kama Nurah na partial forma kata push your call odi. You understand? I cannot really don't push you. Then I'm train other regions woma. I hand the vian yela. I'm bang te bala tabang mo babashi.
Yeah.
Kama recently to Wadamba.
Yeah.
Anyan mango. To Wadamba ma other tribes ma bekana maden.
Yeah, definitely.
You understand?
Yeah.
So after Dambama banyaba onwumi akabe yelne bopena ya ngondamba
definitely maybe akamuncha
ka invite ndanyana yeah. Ka ndanyana cheka you na changan. It's very nice.
And
so the difference is ma the can but so planner like
last example this of issue ma catch. I noticed something. It's like you were there. There was this film authority to meet northern region actors baby on the movies. Our official language was English.
Yeah.
Official language was English. So like because of low literal rate my so like maybe only yarlama be others man yarlama they doesn't take it to be anything like what I can translate so nitien yeben shakara galen la nirma o yisem ma vi ma yisem ya kaya English wait I can also speak English. When I to yes,
yeah.
Marabian, nim avil be en yalla like kaya karma kama competition in duane kabra fiego. No competition but duane man. Like is just that agbar ko en yelme. Yes, the one na apute be sharp. Agbar ko isma couldn't feel like I translate it. That's it. But anytime kabka they feel like because 5 northern regions it's like Tamale is wider, like in civilization, Caribbean man.
Yeah.
They feel love and Makache Caribbean. Meanwhile, entertainment, you not cross across.
Yeah.
I mean about that. I have to Mba Ngare. And second example, Seni Enta, NEA. Tralam Benimane, NEA, Northern Entertainment Awards. Yes. So they rented sounds and DJ, probably like younger sound yellow. DJ bana for Shamin or Milense. Open like used to northern or Tamale based artists can play Yara. So like if so win an award, the paper go. So win an award, like which child won an award, like that DJ is familiar with which child, is familiar with Mad Boy, is familiar with Fancy Gadam or Fatherland. But there was this Savannah region artist already 2 hours. He was on the stage can make comments that why is it that maybe Tamale based artists ne Bitcoin bana I went to him directly and tribalism cap one I know man DJ man like open me a second had uncoupled to man. Or the channel with typing, no familiar with sharp typing. On a toast about will my wrong. Beko na board afford that ye, then die mark about couple too. No me. Can you so forget what you are thinking? That DJ ma not familiar, whether you like it or not. That DJ was Tamale based DJ. Ko Punmere, Fancy Gadam, Banama. But deeper award man that time. Hello, Kai. But he copied it that night. Maybe all boy like over the problem but maybe on your sound Pashama and tell it la nominees ma over not familiar with that artist. Over me we and like over me Abanesa. They were all new to him. So we boy so you how even spelling because that spelling might not be his usual one. It's a different language altogether. This spellings but only type in a smart search in Yale. So I talked to him. This Chaliaka entertainment industry. I mean northern be Tamale based artists be performance lam. Kalab and ma yerna ini because banan the tuna banondele. Even Gamro, Drabiane like Tamabe Cherpa Bikana like automatical mindset. They feel that and it's normal.
Yeah. So
entertainment the tuna to omit love
so that is it.
Music Kabaria. Movie making Kabaria, so just push hard. The feeler come because of your tribe.
The more Manquem put la the Yulma advice across.
Yeah.
Savannah region of East region and then
Upper
East and West, yeah. They should push.
Yeah.
Kama artists shaba an yerla. Atayane I soba. Sorobia and Lagaisma, Busono to Dega was Kadija Banyaba Yilami.
Yes, you see, so Sorobia Wadrevendre, I saw there Like before break right through, but you were an underground or something.
You understand? Nobody knows you.
Yeah.
It's the same.
And that is the reality. Artisha Jena Yarla, and I could pass you our pie. You know, the Maratavs, I talk when I got found near me demo. So you can't know the sound of Artisha, I couldn't marry you, couldn't marry as I to war phone, I'll be young or young. What do I producer Coca-Cola?
You understand?
Tell him to improve.
So no year to ashel nyela kama to born so be north-east region, upper east region, upper west and the savannah region. Karnyela ya ni yan year to ashel din cheka support shelter kan maybe northern region supporter amabia carbon nang this nang the letter. You understand? Always the born always to push it north kat chena. Anya in filler ya to ashel ma. Even Tamale, be northern region artist cinema. T cross VGME. Ben filler shell, command year artist shabla. Ben filler shell ma. Teacher VGME. Something like that happens. I will year shell fancy gadam the new artist of the year. That very year ma. Fancy gadam da pole. But wula. I da kana be red carpet session ma. Banag belle. Ndata be karnya medical. Baba mi fancy gada.
Yeah.
Bravo me.
They weren't expecting him.
You understand? Munika bandami.
Yeah.
So the chair karnya bena so la girl ma ulma
Tiaka.
Titiaka the two advisor ma very well. The cheka amene an ordinary contestant show ka azan the league.
One must win for the North. So if you are not able to win for the North,
each competition ma tama to nearby ma the tune di.
Yeah.
That's all. You know it enough ma win ma. That's all.
Okay, that's it for Kaman How Abunongo program. So if you are new to our channel, think and subscribe to the bell. You will receive notification every time I drop awesome contents like this. Yusuf Abu Turzon co-host Mbalakate TD 2000 on GMB 2023. Abdelbasit Koche Akola as always. Offset Monza Kamara Karapaga. Peace out.
Kaman how? Will I can never adanka ye to 247.